It's coming. Oh Lord, it's coming. Ain't no stopping it. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, is it coming? Yeah, it's coming. Look out. Pooka ain't playing. Run. Hide. Forsooth. It will catch you, sure as the elephant in the room. What to do? It boils down to there only being one true solution when it comes to a case of it or you. For any other possible scenario, there ain't no room. It must be consumed. Yes. 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 Oh yeah. Pooka ain't playing. Don't be chicken. Eat it. Live large. No time for whimping. Walk that talk. Talk that walk. That's right. I'm talking to you. When you partake in POOK'S, big pimpin', shrimp, waffles, and chicken. Talk that talk. Walk that talk. Talk that walk. Let the monster loose when you partake in POOK'S. Big pimpin', shrimp, waffles, and chicken. It's coming. It's coming. What you gonna do when you partake in POOK'S? Big pimpin', shrimp, waffles, and chicken. Follow your feet to where people eat. Big pimpin', shrimp, waffles, and chicken. Eat, drink, be POOKABERRY. It's coming. Oh Lord, it's coming. Ain't no stopping. It's coming. Big pimpin', shrimp, waffles, and chicken. Big pimpin', waffles, chicken.
Hola, chicos.
Hola, Margarita.
No me importa. Podemos idear algo.